you got there?
This!
What is this?
Mountain.
Play-doh Cake Mountain. Hi, Erin.
Hi.
Hi,
Wait!
Justin.
Don't jump on!
Say hi to Mommy.
Hi!
How are you?
Good!
Good. Play-doh Sweet Shop Cake Mountain. Are you guys ready to open it?
Yeah.
Yes. Where is Justin?
Here, Mommy.
Okay, come
Over
over
there.
here. So this is the Play-doh Sweet Shop Cake Mountain. And it says here it's 2-in-1. Nice. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah, I'm past 2 and 1.
You're past 21.
2 and 1.
Okay. Ready to dump it all out? Just dump it all out.
There's one here.
Oh. Alright.
And ooh!
Ooh, what is that? The
Instruct.
instruction manual. So you can just dump it all out. Come on.
Play-doh.
Play-doh. You guys have all the pieces?
Yeah.
Why don't we look at the instruction manual here? Here it is.
But I only know some.
And it's gonna show us how to assemble the whole thing.
I already know how to do it.
You already, oh, you are so smart, Erin.
Yeah.
She doesn't even need to have the instruction manual that we have here.
Yeah, because it's...
So you put the bigger piece. Alright. And then what else?
Where's the...
I found a candle for you.
But it's not done yet. So...
Okay. What about this piece right here?
Dun,
You just put that on top.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
Dun, dun.
Isn't Ate Erin doing a great job, Justin? Yeah. Womp, womp, womp. Oh, Erin, can you stand up and show everyone what you're wearing? Let me see your, oh my gosh. And what do you call that?
Jellies.
Jelly?
Yeah.
So you put that.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness, that was the tough part.
Alright.
Nope, not yet.
Not yet? Sure, I'll open it for you. What are those, Justin?
The Play-doh.
The actual Play-Doh.
Play-doh.
And Ate Erin is so smart. Look at that.
You could, I
She's
wish,
putting it all together
Mommy,
without
I
using a
didn't-
manual.
which one do you think I should have? The
Whatever you want. Which one do you want? I like the heart shape.
okay.
Yeah.
And it goes right on. This.
Okay.
Mommy, open this.
Oh, look. We have a fork. And
One time when I
a
got
knife. Good.
And
This is
did
a
you
knife, Justin.
Mommy, candles.
And candles too.
And did you know?
Oh, that one goes in the bottom.
And did you know the first one?
Let me
we
help
have
you. Put it there. And then close it up.
Please get Mommy, Adios. Adios.
Alright.
Doors,
That's
Ellen.
good. That's good.
Doors,
That's
Ellen.
good.
Look, doors, Ellen.
Ooh, nice.
Nice.
Erin, very good.
I'm just cutting it up
You're
with.
cutting the sides.
Yeah.
You could have just
Just
you cannot see it though.
there.
There you go.
And
What are you watching? What are you watching, Justin? What are you watching?
they are Adidas.
Day of the Diesels. I would like to use a different shape of the cake. So you're using the heart shape. I think I'm gonna go with there's a butterfly. It's nice. And this one
Mommy,
is a circle. So I think I'm gonna go with this
Mommy,
one.
those Ellen.
Alright.
Those
So
Ellen, Mommy.
I'm just gonna
Those Ellen.
push it up.
Those Ellen. Those Ellen, Mommy.
Hey, aren't you gonna watch the Days of the Diesel instead, Justin? And then I'm gonna load this here.
Mommy, they.
We're gonna press it. Wow, look at that, Erin. Look at that.
Perfect.
Perfect, just like yours.
Oh!